When we learn, we always learn. A deceiver will always be a deceiver. There are people, some people sitting down there, all they do is pretending and tricking and frustrating people, deceiving them, lying to them, tricking them, just for their benefit. Why good people out there are worried, are sad. The way some people are pushing other children astray, the way they are pushing them astray, the way they are advising, giving them wrong advice, the way they are manipulating them, the way they are deceiving them, the way they are tricking them, the way they are deceiving and lying to them. So painful, so painful, so sad. The good one worry, they feel pain. Why will human being do this to a human being? Why will human being do this to your fellow ones? Even though you have children, you don't have children. You're supposed to know every children. You're supposed to treat them, teach them in a good way, in a proper way, in a decent way, in a good manner. Practice what you preach. Some people lie too much, they start believing their own lies. They are thinking they are deceiving people, not knowing they are deceiving themselves. By their fruit you shall know them. Empty vessels, making noises, saying what they are not, creating what they are not, lying on top of their teeth, pretending they are so happy when they are dying slowly inside them, crying, weeping, tears, sadness inside them, forgetting that people can see through you, forgetting that people know. Even the words you say out of your mouth never make sense anymore. You talk, you don't know what you are saying. People keep questioning, is this person okay? Is he insane? You're just doing what you're not supposed to do. You are so happy deceiving people, tricking people, manipulating people, deceiving innocent people out there. The good ones are worried. They are doing their best to make them to look closer, to make them to be thinking twice before they do anything, to make them to look where they are going to make them not to be carried away in anything you hear, you see, for them to be reasonable in any step, in anything they do. The good ones, so sad, so painful. They keep praying day and night. They never give up. Oh, when I go na move your na gbena maguna move your Mami madana me madani me kwego madaya hin. I mean ya hin. Ya kona ba, ya lana, ya kona ba, ya lana, ya kweteme, ya me ni ata. Oho ya segu sagbada, ya no do kona wi yen. Hi olokun egbe mami ana. E na atebe ma wenu we ya we me. Me na ola dia unu egbe mami ana no we hin abale egbeji. Ema ma ekene ekeno hianya no ma ekena ema aone ma ya hianya ema no ni bude sino bia di bude sino ku ema ne hianya ma ema no me hitowa no ruwa gbon ena emi da orion ena nerun o we he o emo na ena wa muriana ije obi emo no ena wa muriana eri ema to hia oge ọwa geda imonoro wagbona odeda wa geda yana emi da manya ina saloba olokula me mofa they are in pain, they are sad, because this is how love goes. They pray every day, every night. They pray, they wake up in the night, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, keep praying for innocent children out there. And you are thinking that people don't know you are evil, you are a devil. How can you know? Because the evil are cloud your judgment. The evil have already clouded you. You are enjoying your evil. You are enjoying wrong thing. You lie too much, you start believing your lie. You can't know the truth anymore because you lie too much. You let your emotion, your proudness you let your emotion to cloud your judgment. You don't never listen to what people are saying, what people are doing. You are going too far and too far and too far. It's already been done. It's already been done. na neru na agbo mama we na giye na mwe bogbe. It's already been done. People are eyes, no one is stupid. Who is making noise? Let him be making noise. The good one are keep praying, they never give up. And believe me, every evil anyone sow, it will repeat. Every good thing everyone sow, it will repeat. What comes around, what goes around. Because whatsoever a man sow, it's like that. Both the tradition and Bible, it's like that. Because it's not good to be deceiving your fellow ones. A demonic, a evil person, a pretender, a deceiver, ungrateful people, they are out there. They talk like they are innocent. They are evil. They never repent. Evil people, bad people like this, they never repent. Ikata abe madana. Iya meko madaya hin. Iya meko. Iya re. Iya nyiwe na miwe. Iya ma. Iya ne yobo. Agayiwe. Ri etana. Ri ewona. Ri ewona. Emi guga ya yakia. Ogarewe no ichika we. Ige alimonye hin. Aku ogwe banana yakin. Iya aku ogwe yakin. Unia we chocolate yakin. Emi guga. Eya yakin ekwe muya. Iba ni wari ya gbe na egbe mami ana. Eme mi no hiata. No hiasone. No hiasone. Ema neko enwa ema no nyimi mesi. No si emo koko wagbo. No ribude no mano bia. No ribude no mano hu. Danitana. Ana mi ewe ekwe muya. Eso. Iya ga ho na mi egwe ya maso give ya. Oja no riya. Aga mo yezele. Okie no riya wegbe. Je wa kan ma ya ne gbe. Ma ne gun ma ya no je wegbe gbana. Agbon ya han ni. Okie en ga gbon en we. Okie en ga gbon en oje. Okie en ga gbon en go fi en oje ni kere. O da wo we think wo we deceive. O ze deceive. Emi akwe alaja wonu meme nuta. We akwe anya no wo momo gwan wa. We akwe awe gwan no kwe egbeke gba na ere kwero wa. We gidede ugu dede ru da wo ko bugbe mi da bugbe. Emi buno wa ya tite na etuti na. E fai na yakin. O da ni tana nero wa gbona. Na we mi no gba mi no keke an wa yo ma si. O ma san o wa yo ma dan. Ma so awa ziba iya o na miewe iya ziba o ma si we wa mi awo gbon regbe so bi ari eku eti ebo we avin egi egbe wa heje ba ye wa itoni agbon do we iya ma ta be na we agbon na we see is believing. People watch you, they sees you, they know why you talk, how you behave, how you do things. Why deceiving yourself? You are only deceiving yourself. You are only deceiving yourself. No one is stupid, no one is a fool. You are the one. Some of them, they are the one that are not happy. They are thinking other people are not happy. They are the one full of pain and tears inside, sorrow, shame. They are the one that has been disgraced for all the whole world. They are the one that fooled themselves for the whole world to see. They are the one thinking there is no one like them. Who told you that? These are the part of foolishness. These are the part of deceit. These are the part of the trick. These are the part of the lies. The way some people are deceiving innocent people out there. A good one will not be happy. They feel they will not be happy. Something will be bothering them. Because be your brother's keeper. Something will touch them. Something will make them to feel so sad. Because it's not good for people to be deceiving people. That is why a good one always feel sad, maybe not so happy the way people are destroying innocent soul in the world, the way people are tricking innocent soul in the world, the way people are being deceiving innocent soul in the world. Why yes and why we say and not feel all like one. All like one. Me no be wa pesa so banama. Ona ibude ni rere wa yala mogo.